And you don't have the possibility to adapt the
Ja, der Flug ist jetzt, die ist auch ein bisschen mehr.
also on Zoom. Yes. Yeah, you make it manual, and yeah, you don't have the possibility, but you can for indirect flashing, you can put it like this.
So reflector
Sehr schön.
here.
Schönen Tag.
And it's also new, it's 12mm zoom. Before it was 80. So you can use shorter lenses